When we get busy, we have the tendency to grab and go foods that are prepackaged, processed, and frankly, filled with ingredients that no human should consume. Well, that's where meal prepping is here to save your day and to save your diet. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am making healthier versions of the foods that we love. And today is the fourth of my four-part series of meal prepping. I'm telling you, meal prepping has saved my diet. You know how it is, you guys. To be quite honest with you, when you are hectic, when you are busy and you are hungry, you grab and go. And typically those are things that are prepackaged. They're filled with ingredients that, once again, no human should even consume. But a lot of times they taste good, they're convenient, and they fill the void, which is our hunger pains. But when you meal prep, okay, you are covering those things in advance. So when you grab, you are grabbing the things that are actually nutrient rich and healthy for you. It just takes a little bit of planning. And to be honest with you guys, if you have already made a decision to cook at home, you have already conquered part of the battle. You're cooking at home, you're controlling the ingredients that you put into your foods, and you are controlling that cost. So without further ado, let's get into today's two recipes. The first one is a low carb, high protein pancake recipes. Actually, there's two recipes. One is made with almond flour. The second one is made with protein powder. It's just a matter of preference as far as the taste is concerned. Both are actually very, very good. And without further ado, let's get right into our high protein, low carb pancake. And guess what, you guys? These recipes are so phenomenal. You don't have to wait for cheat day to eat them. So this is how it's done. In my mixing bowl, I already have my Greek yogurt, blend, baking powder, and blend these ingredients together. You see how simple it was to put those two recipes together. So if you made homemade pancakes before, you will have no problem in making these. You're just swapping out the traditional flour for either the protein powder or the almond flour. And I have to tell you too, what I did after I filmed that particular video is I used 50% protein powder, okay, 50% almond flour, just to try out that combination as well, just to see if I like the texture. I absolutely love that, you guys. So that is also another option for you. So before we get into recipe number two, let me just note two things. As you can probably tell, it's dark outside. This is what you do when you're hectic, you're very busy, you guys. You just make your schedule work. I am up super early just so that I can do what I know I need to do to fuel my body so that way, okay, I can have the best day possible, okay? And if it involves getting up super early, okay, so I can meal prep, that is exactly what I do. I light my candle, I put on a playlist, and I get busy. Okay, so that's number one. The second thing you probably notice is at the top of this video, I brought in these delicious plate of, it's a low carb blueberry scone. So be on the lookout for this. I'm going to be bringing this to you real soon as well. You guys, absolutely delicious. A lower carb version of, once again, of the things that we love with no sugar, and it's gluten-free. Okay, now on to recipe number two, which is a high protein, nutrient rich chicken broccoli stir fry. It's savory, but a little hint of sweet to it. You've got the tender chunks of the chicken, and you've got the freshness of those broccoli pieces in this savory sauce. Absolutely phenomenal is it. And it's restaurant quality, but it's super simple to put together at home. And this is how it's done. Welcome back. So as you can see, two example of how simple it is to put together nutrient-rich foods at home. Again, you control the ingredients, you control the cost, and they're absolutely delicious, you guys, so that you can be ensured that you are fueling your body with things that does a body good without compromising the deliciousness factor. And one other note, okay, you can put your meals into these food prep containers. I purchased these from Temu. Okay, of course, I will also leave, because I do shopping on Amazon all the time, you guys. So I will also leave the link for an alternative to these from Amazon in the description as well. So let me know how you feel about these two recipes, you guys, by leaving it in the comments. And also, please do me the honor of giving this video a like, giving it a share, okay, if you are loving the content that I'm bringing you here. And also, please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. So that way, you guys, you do not miss out on any of the videos and recipes that I bring you that are healthier versions of the things that we love. And please do also share my channel with those that you feel would benefit from what we are doing here on this channel. And we as a community are making this chapter of our lives the best chapter of our lives with good, nutritious, healthy foods. So you guys, you remember what I always say at the end of each and every video. It is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And please do be on the lookout for this video. Once again, low carb blueberry scones. And I will see you guys all real soon, and enjoy.